Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Guys, today I am just outside of Atlanta, Georgia at one of our dealers, Chipper LLC Trailers and Equipment. They've got a Customer Appreciation Day going on today. We're going to split some wood, and I'm going to take you guys on a tour of their place and show you some of the other stuff they got to offer. So I'm just going to do a quick walk around tour of the grounds here. You can see right up here they got trailers stacked everywhere. They're a pretty high volume dealer for a lot of different companies, trailers, equipment, chippers, wood splitters. They've got a bunch of different brands, and of course they move a lot of Wolfe Ridge machines down here too. But I'll give you guys kind of a look around this area. They just got some of our splitters in. They've been moving things through here pretty quickly, but over here got some HOs. Probably a couple of SHOs in here. Yep, I see a couple of SHOs as well. These ones don't have the sorting tables on them yet. They're mounted up here just for transport, but this will get bolted on to the back of the beam here before it goes down the road. See, they got a whole bunch of dump trailers. Perfect for the firewood business. Got a gooseneck one here. Quite a few dump trailers to choose from, as you can see here. And back further, you can see they've got a whole stash of gooseneck equipment trailers. You can see they got a Bobcat with a Halverson firewood processor on it. And a mini skid. It's a pretty big mini skid. Maybe it's not even called a mini skid, I'm not sure, but that is a large unit right there with that processor on it. Got one of their roll-off dumpsters for a trailer that they sell. So this dumpster will go on and off of a trailer. And it's really nice to set it on the ground. We got firewood going into it. We've got our FC24 here. Look at the size of the round on this thing. That is a nice chunk of wood right there. It's going to have to be resplit a few times. Over here, 35 SHO box wedge machine, also exiting into our FC24. See, they got a whole bunch of mini skids here. A whole bunch of stuff to pick from. Some of these mini dump apparatuses. I don't know what they're actually called. And 35 ton SHO here. Another SHO here. And this one is the HO. Now you can see the HO and the SHO have the same frame. Basically the only differences between the HO and the SHO, you're going to get a bigger engine, you're going to get a bigger hydraulic pump, you're going to get a hydraulic oil cooler, and you're going to get a 6-way wedge automatically if you get a super high output SHO. If you get a HO, 13 horse Honda, 22 gallon a minute hydraulic oil pump. Got the newer 30 gallon steel hydraulic oil tank on it. And this is our gunmetal gray color. And all of the HOs and SHOs have a black beam on them now, as well as black sorting tables. And again, the sorting tables are not on these yet. And this is not to be confused with the extension. This is the actual sorting table that has to get bolted on to the splitter. And then the extension can go onto that yet. Over here, got a gray 17 VSC. Justin told me this just came in yesterday, just in time for this event. And again, these verticals are now also going to have black beams. So you can see that the splitter beam is black. The main machine is still the color that you choose. This one in this case was the gunmetal gray. And a blue 17 VS exiting into someone else's conveyor. This one, you can see they've got almost max capacity going on here. This got a 20-inch stroke on it, and the wedge is just about touching there. We're not all the way in the home position. Home position would be just about here, but yeah, you can see there's not a whole lot more room there. So as you can see, they have a ton of equipment here to choose from, and a lot of stuff that is very fitting for the firewood industry. With that said, we're going to make some firewood with the Wolfe Ridge machines right now. Guys, it was a crazy busy day here, and if any of you were out here today and you purchased a new Wolfe Ridge splitter, I want to say thank you. There were 4 splitters for sure that moved out of here. There is a 28 HO getting loaded up behind me here. I think this one's going back to Tennessee, and this guy's going to be at the expo that Marlin is putting on in March, and there'll be more information about that coming soon. I think the next time I'm going to be on the road will be this coming January, and I will be in Pennsylvania for an event there. Stay tuned to the Wolfe Ridge Facebook page for more information on that. So we had a great day here at Chipper LLC. I'll share their information in the comments section below, as well as the Wolfe Ridge dealer locators, so you can find a dealer near you. If you've got any questions on our products and want to see pricing, tech specs, photos, videos, dealer locator, event schedule, and more, please check out the website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.